Have you ever thought about how much you wanted a frameless waterproof TV? If not, we are here to tell you why you need this amazing new invention in your house. Rated IP66, you can place this TV just about anywhere you want without worry. This includes watching your favorite movie in your bath or watch a cooking show while cooking in the kitchen. It comes with built-in Wi-Fi and smart TV app support. The 1080p high-definition resolution and the full viewing angles offer unparalleled clarity for TV watching, movies and web browsing. You can use this Soulaca TV anywhere you want, from the bathroom, kitchen, near a shopping mall fountain or around the swimming pool. Life has never been so easier and entertaining. Our design is absolutely beautiful. What's more, with a mirror front panel, the TV picture just vanishes when turned off, returning to a full beautiful mirror. Now that's amazing! Interested? Soulaca, creating the future life.